అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు हेमल इंगळे अँड आय एम शुअर तुम्ही सगळे वंडर करताय की मी ही कुठली भाषा बोलतेय. सो ही होती तेलुगू भाषा जी थोडीफार मला येते. अगदी म्हणजे एक थोडासा एक असा सेक्शन आहे जो मी पाठ केला आहे आणि तो मला येतो. माझ्या फ्रेंड्सनी मला शिकवला जेव्हा मी माझी फिल्म जी तेलुगू फिल्म आहे हुशारू त्याचे प्रमोशन्स करत होतो. सो आजची जी गेस्ट आहे, सो द रिझन मी का तेलुगूत बोलते बिकॉज आजची जी गेस्ट आहे ती आहे एक Andhra girl, like they call it Andhra Amma, the way they say it. And she's a very close friend of mine called Ramya Paspuleti. मी already तिच्याबद्दल टाकलंय. So there's going to be one issue, guys. We are going to speak in English. So please, English and Hindi. So please cooperate, and also Telugu maybe. So तुम्हाला थोडंफार तेलुगू ही शिकायला waiting because I'm just going to add Ramya because she's right here and I'm just waiting for her to accept the request. Fun. You guys have a lot of questions which she is going to answer, and is my friend ready. It's going to be a lot of candid conversation and a lot of conversation. Hi Ramya.
You sound so sexy in Marathi, I tell you.
You never video call me and this is how we have to talk.
Oh my god, BT, I tell you, my whole room is messed up.
I'm having such a bad hair day. Looking at your hair is giving me major complex. Oh my
Yeah,
god.
right. Yeah, right.
I need to do something. Need a hairdresser.
Huh?
I need a hairdresser to match your
Yeah.
hair levels.
Yeah, right. Look at this. And I'm figuring it out. How do I make it look presentable?
So
Yeah.
I'm going to just start with questions, Ramya. Because there are so many questions, you have no idea, and all funny ones, okay?
Okay.
So till then, I think there was a question that, yeah, so
That?
first just, Ramya, you just give me a small introduction. Until
What
you
do
look
I
at
say?
question.
I'm not like, I can't speak Marathi also.
No, you have to speak in English, yeah. Come on, people understand English.
Hi guys, this is Ramya. Like Hemal gave a long introduction. Introduced me so well, so I have nothing left to talk. Tell us something about her. Who?
So now you're answering that question.
Hemal is like girl next door. She's amazing. She is a sweetheart. That's what I can say. Love you, Hemal. It looks like I'm prepared for his no, guys.
Okay. Hi, Hemal. Tell any funny incident with Ramya. Oh my god. Ramya, do you want it?
No, there's nothing. There's nothing, guys.
Okay. So I'm going to tell you one funny incident which I can say it here. So there's this one song that Ramya sings. Which song is that, Ramya? Some Hindi song. And I ask you to send me a voice note. I'm like, please send me a voice note. It's some Honey Sing song that you sing.
I don't remember. What is it?
Even I don't remember. But come on, Ramya, sing a song for me.
What rubbish?
I love it when you sing those Hindi songs. I think it was some rapper song like Nora Fatehi dancing on it or something like that. Na Goriye. I think that song. Do you sing that song often? Oh, Kudi Mero Kehti. Na 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 na. That song. Do you sing that?
Yeah. मैं क्या ना गोरी
Sing,
ना
sing.
गोरी Yeah, I look so bad. ना गोरी ना गोरी Fine, happy.
I love it when you sing. Guys, I keep asking her to send me voice notes. When I miss her, I just ask her to send me voice notes. Okay, someone has said she's so smart when someone genuinely appreciates her, she says thanks, bro. How does this
Me or
person
you?
know you? I think it's you because you do that. I don't do that.
Yeah, I do
I'm
that.
not a very pro-
Like if
pro
someone calls me,
person.
I'll be like, thank you, bro, or something to knock them down.
How does this person know this about you?
I must have replied him saying the same. I knocked him down. Sorry, bro. But
Okay.
bro is not like bro, brother. It's the bro code.
This question is for you. Now you have to answer this.
To
Ramya.
enter into heart. I was gonna do something, but then it relies. So yeah.
Ramya, come on,
That's
tell
so
us how
sweet
to
of
enter
you.
your heart. I want to know how to enter your heart.
Yeah, right. How do I?
What is the address of your heart? I can tell it. It must be a lot of Nutella. Get a lot of Nutella
Yeah,
and make
lot
her
of
eat it.
chocolate,
That's the road to Ramya's heart. Okay, so Ramya. Okay, there's one question. One last question we'll do.
Ow. Huh.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't.
As much as I know,
And
Ramya's
you know
boyfriend is
it.
only Netflix and chill.
Huh?
Netflix and chill is the only boyfriend, only love life Ramya has.
Yeah, Netflix and chilling with my own self. That sounds wrong, but then yeah. That's it. No,
Okay,
I don't
so-
have boyfriend, guys. Sad.
That's sad. Now people will start commenting, oh god, please date us, Ramya, you're so cute.
Okay. Yeah, Himal. Yeah. She's the one who hypes me every time. You need to have a friend like Hemal in your life. She's amazing.
Love you, girl.
Love you too.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza. Hemal,
That's
what's
it.
yours?
What's your favorite food is the question.
Pizza. I love pizza.
Next question is from Sunil.
Favorite stress buster.
I think it's watching series.
Yeah. Food.
I am answering all your
A
questions.
movie or something, that's it.
Oh yeah, this is interesting and I want to know it too. I mean, I know it, but still.
Sure.
Like what is
What
the future projects that you're doing?
So right now I'm doing like a movie.
Guys, exclusive news on my Instagram from Ramya Paswani.
Everybody knows. Everybody knows. Yeah, that's it. I'm doing a movie.
I'm very excited for that.
Finally, I'm the only lead.
Okay. Okay, so someone's asked, this is in Marathi, I'll just translate it for you. Actor बनण्यासाठी काय करायचे म्हणजे सुरुवात. How to start to be an actor?
How? Just give auditions.
Yeah,
I guess.
Yeah, that is one thing I'll also tell you कि give auditions. सिर्फ auditions से ही काम होता है. Anything else never works. People
Never
will tell you
works,
100 things that never works. You have to give auditions and you have
Plenty
to
of
work hard.
auditions. Try your luck. That's it.
Yeah, that is true. And I want to also mention that Ramya is also a social media influencer. So that's how you started, right? You were what, 16?
Yeah, I was.
She was 16 when she hit like what you had already crossed around on TikTok. I remember you used to be on Musically and you had like so many fans. So I was Googling about you so that I know how to introduce you exactly and all. And it said, it was really cute, okay? It said that she is so cute and has an attractive personality that you can't. This is written on Google. This is written on Google that you cannot. She has an infectious personality and then you have to love her the way she is. That is so cute. Like even Google is saying that.
I can't take it anymore. Please.
Guys, and do you know everyone says we look like sisters?
Yes, we do.
And how's your quarantine going, Ramya?
It's boring, but then yeah, I'm watching a lot of series. You know,
Yeah, I do.
I've been telling you I'm watching.
Okay, I'm getting an interesting question. What keeps her confident performing in front of people?
Just be yourself. If they love you, they love you for who you are. So
Yeah, and the fact that you should not care because, like,
yeah,
those people
Do
are
fun.
irrelevant.
yeah. You should ask Hemal. She's so confident. I always look up to her.
Oh my god, Ramya, you're gonna make me cry. I think there are a lot of questions coming now. Hi. Okay, people are sending hi here also. Okay,
Marathi,
this is
please.
interesting. Best person ever you met in the industry.
Hemal English.
Okay, see, you don't have to take my name just because.
No, for real. Oh my god, I got like such nice friends.
Oh my god, that is so cute. Okay, guys, just because she's on my live, she's taken my name, but I'm gonna accept it.
What, Ravi?
Because it's very beautiful.
I mean it. She knows it. She's doing drama. You know it. That you are my fire. What's your
Ramya, what is your birth year?
2001.
Oh my god, I thought you're 2000.
No,
You're
2000
even
not.
younger than my sister.
Yeah, I
Guys,
guess that
Ramya
was
is
too
very
much.
small and she has achieved a lot in this young age. That makes me look up to her, honestly, to be very honest. And I learn so much from her because, I think because I'm slightly older, I'm very calculative. But Ramya is so like IDGAF, like just lives her life and the way she is, I just love it, honestly.
Thank you.
Now also,
I'm
I was
blushing.
having,
I don't know why. I just can't take compliments. Like, I don't know.
come on, you
And
must be
whenever
getting
I
so
get
many.
any doubt, anything, the first person I go to is Hemal. I swear.
Oh, yeah. Sometimes she does come to me.
Yeah, sometimes. Then, yeah, fine.
What's
What's
Ramya's
Ramya's
biggest regret?
between I love her? Thank you so much, Shreya. And biggest regret? I don't know. Zero regrets. I don't want to regret anything in life.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
That is so true.
Hemal, you want cake?
Yeah, I
Reply.
want cake. Who's giving me cake? Please give me cake.
I don't know. Someone. How's the lockdown going with you guys? Hemal is
Oh,
doing a lot of things. We had like a huge conversation over it, but I'm like, I'm sleeping around what 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock and waking up around 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock. And Hemal asked me like, let's do a live at sharp 11 o'clock. I was like, dude, I can't. I just
I
need a
can't
nap.
wake
Did
up.
that. I just can't wake up because that has become my routine. Like what 4 a.m. to like 2 p.m.
Oh
And
my
the funny
god.
part is that my parents are also following it.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Wow.
my mom and dad are sleeping at the same time. Like
That is because of you. That's good. If they were waking up early, they would make you also wake up early.
Exactly. Now no one is. Tell one word about Pawan Kalyan Garu. God, he's amazing. I love him. I love him. That's it. But he's stuck.
Yeah, we are twins. That's the reason why she's living there in Hyderabad and I'm living here in Kolhapur.
Yeah.
मेले में बिछड़े हुए बचपन में we had gone to a fun fair and that time we both were holding hands and then I just saw candy floss. I was like, I want the candy floss and then our hands just went away like that and then I turned behind and I
You
couldn't
can
see
make a
Ramya.
whole movie out of this conversation,
And I
guys.
turned and I couldn't
That's
see
only.
Ramya and then I don't know, there were some kind enough people from Kolhapur who adopted me, so I'm very happy living with
Nice.
my new
You
family.
can make a Marathi movie.
My mom is watching this. She must be feeling, what am I saying?
Hi, auntie. Hi. I cannot understand how this 19-year-old one is so smart. Take a boat. Thank you so much, Samhit. That means a lot to me. Because Hemal, you bragged about me so much.
Come on. Someone's asking, what is your blood group? I'm not going to select that question. Oh, this is a very interesting question, guys. This is something I've been asking Ramya all my life. And her answer will surprise you. Because there's nothing. She does nothing for it.
Nothing. I don't even take bath.
All she puts is sunscreen and nothing else.
She knows
That's
it. And guys, for skincare tips, you have to follow Hemal. Like
But there's no point.
unique
Even
stuff.
then, my skin looks like this, and
whole-
her skin looks fabulous. That is
That's
just something you have to bond with it. That's it.
Okay, I'm talking in Telugu. ఒక సూట్ కేస్ మొత్తం ఉంటుంది అన్ని స్కిన్ కేర్ ప్రోడక్ట్ డిఫరెంట్ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ అసలుకి నాకు అర్థం కూడా కాదు ఏంటిది అని అడిగితే ఏదేదో పేరు చెప్తూ ఉంటది.
I understood what you're trying to say. So basically ती म्हणते की माझं सूटकेस जेव्हा तिनं बघितलं एवढे सगळे स्किन केअर प्रोडक्ट्स होते आणि ती घाबरलेली.
She has everything. Trust me, guys. She has freaking everything. So one stop. If you want something and you don't find it anywhere, you have to go to Havel because she has everything. Trust me. Hema, tu rehte se na Kolhapur Madhe.
That's a Marathi.
Yeah. How did I speak?
Pretty
Marathi?
good. Pretty good. You got it pretty well.
Thank you. Dogi without makeup, खूप beautiful दिसते.
That means both without makeup.
Yeah. What's your strength? What would be my strength? I don't know. Maybe. But this is like a cliche.
I think your mom is one of your very big
Exactly.
strengths.
I was about to say it. My mom. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cliche.
Even I think so.
Aha is a Oops.
Sorry, I mean scrolling through the questions.
I have to watch your film. How's the bonding that you share with Ramya? Sisters. That's what I
It is a total sister bonding
Just
because
about,
we
like,
actually, and you won't believe. So I have a sister who is Ramya's age, and I today came to know that my sister is 1 year elder to Ramya. My sister also loves Ramya, even though they've not actually spoken. They virtually know each other, but they love her.
Yeah.
Like my entire family loves Ramya, and I'm sure Ramya's family also loves me. Though her father doesn't know
They
who I
do.
am, but her mom loves me.
I told her father, like, my friend says hi to him. He was like, who is he? I was like, Dad, it's not he, it's she.
Okay, someone says chota packet, bada dhamaka. Yeah, that Ramya definitely is.
Thank you. You know, before like 35 minutes, I was crying. Okay, first cried. Nice question. I was crying, guys. I was like literally crying.
Oh my god, you started talking about crying and then that
Exactly.
question just comes up.
The
Yeah.
question should be like, when did you last cry? I cried before 40 minutes.
Yeah.
You asked me why? I threw chai all over my bed. That's all.
And
And
this
my
is, see,
friends were
honestly, you know,
working.
this is damn cute about Ramya. Like, so now she texts me half an hour before. She's like, "Hey, Mal, I dropped tea on my bed. So my parents are scolding at me. I'm crying." And she sends me a selfie of her crying. And I don't know what to reply. I'm just like, are we doing the live or not? Like, just tell me that so that I know, like, should I just, be prepared or not? And then, like, I just love how carefree she is. And then after a while, she's sending me a laughing face. She's like, yeah, I'm just sorting it out. It'll be done.
Exactly, because my dad was screaming from out other room like, Milky, come here, and all. I was lying here. It was all like that. But yeah, everything is fine, and I'm happy to do this live. It's
Yeah.
really
What is the secret of your beauty, Ramya?
nothing. Don't take baths. That's what.
Did you say don't take a bath?
No. Okay, we are in what? We are in a lockdown, and hygiene is really
You guys
important.
take
Take bath.
What?
No,
Share a
not-
secret between you both.
What? What is the secret?
I can't remember. There's so much we talk about.
There's nothing. No secret. If we
Is
share
she
a
single?
secret, how
Is
it
she
a
single,
secret?
ready to mingle? Ramya, are you single and ready to mingle? I know that she's single,
But not
but I
ready
don't
to
know if
mingle.
she's ready to mingle.
Uh,
What was your first movie?
My first movie was
Spider.
Punjab.
Oh no. Oh that cute. Oh, I wish I had that video. Yeah, it was so cute.
It wasn't cute. I didn't even have my.
It was too cute. But it was too cute. The way say Sunday hai aaj. I mean, I saw the dubbed version, so I know the.
Anchakshari when I was what, 8 or 7. Yeah, I was a child actress. That's it.
Okay, someone says I look like Rashmika Mandana.
Okay, I don't. No.
Ramya,
That
we
is-
are on live. Huh?
Sorry. Hemaling. What is that? Hemalinke, your look. Okay.
What's your blood group?
Why? I don't know. O positive. That's it.
Really? Is it really O positive?
Yeah, it is.
I used to lie to people saying that my blood group is O positive because I never gotten it tested, but recently I came to know it's B positive.
Oh, even I'm doing the same.
I knew it. I just knew you like that, so I asked you, is it true?
It's better to say something than nothing.
Your favorite series in quarantine?
My favorite series right now is Mindhunter. That's what
Are you
I'm
watching
currently-
it? Is it
I'm
good? Is it
binging.
on Netflix?
Really, it's amazing. So basically, it's about criminal mind. That's what. How bad a criminal can think is what is all about.
Where did you guys meet? I am going to share this. I remember. I'm going to share this. So we had gone to some place. We were shooting at some resort or something. And that was the first time we met. And Ramya comes there with her mom. And like I just, for me, I see a girl who's damn pretty and I just see her like with her mom. On her phone, she's wearing a unicorn hoodie. Okay. And blue color unicorn hoodie, I remember. So I just look at her, and because I was the only Maharashtrian there. Everyone was basically from Andhra, so I was feeling very lonely. So I come to her, I'm like, hey, so are you playing Preeti? Something I said, like some character's name. I'm like, are you Preeti? And she's like, I don't even know. I don't know anything. And like, just basically shoos me off, like, why are you talking to me, sort of. And I was just like, oh god, such attitude this girl has. And then I remember sitting with her mom or something, and she was not giving me bhav at all. And later when I came to know how she is, I just realized, oh my god, she's the most fun person ever.
You know what I remember about you?
What?
You were sleeping on the, what is that, sofa or something. You were sleeping, literally sleeping. That's what I remember. Nothing else.
Because they called us so early and we weren't even there were no makeup artists, nothing. What to do then?
Yeah. That's what I remember about Hemal. And after that, that's
After
it.
that what?
I don't even remember what the hell. Later I'll remember and I'll text you how grateful I am to meet a person like you.
Shreya asks, what is your biggest motivator? Who is your biggest motivator?
How do you know? Who is my biggest motivator? Who's my biggest motivator? There are many people, like all my friends keep motivating me. So
That's so sweet. You have really good friends. You keep talking about them all the time. Kamran and Hamza and
Tarun.
Tarun. And I remember meeting also your best friend. I forgot her name. I'm sorry. Nitya Reddy. I remember the surname, but I forgot the name. But she comments on every picture and every post of yours, and that's so sweet. That's true best friendship. True definition of best friendship.
No way.
She does, and she fights for you. If your comments are like, if you have some haters, she fights for you. That's so cute.
That's Santoshi. Like all my friends are different.
Oh no, but I remember
Nitya
she
is
does.
different. Srinitya Santoshi is different.
Okay, so now I have a game for you, Ramya, and everyone is going to play along basically. Okay. So all of you guys, the game is this is a surprise game. The Pictionary
my god, okay.
It's a very easy game.
What my book says.
Be a foodie. Yes, be a foodie, and then work out so that you can manage your weight. So the game is that basically I'm going to show you emoticons, and you have to guess the film. Okay. So these are Hindi films.
Okay, yeah. Okay, then okay. I was
number one. Are you ready?
Yeah, Pakistan. Razi.
No! See it properly.
It's not Razi. What the hell?
It's not Razi.
Pakistan.
Guys, come on, give me your guesses. What film is this? What Bollywood film is this?
Dil Hai Mushkil.
See, you're getting a lot of comments and people are guessing it better than you.
Oh, Bajrangi Bhaijaan. Okay.
Yeah. See, so this is Munni, and this is Salman, and then they go to Pakistan. That's the film. Good work, guys.
Wow.
Ramya 0. People, my audience 1.
I suck.
This is very easy. Now that you guessed it, this is very easy.
Cube light.
Correct.
Why you after?
I have some easy ones also. This is slightly difficult.
17th of July and shoot. What is that,
guys? What can this be?
People are like, still, it's cube light. No, it's not.
But you know, there's one thing. You can see ulta in this. So, like, this is first and then this is second. So, what is
guys,
this?
please help me. Okay, shoot out.
No, come on, what is this?
Shoot out at Wadala.
No, I'll give you a hint. This is a gun. And this is a calendar. No, ignore that. That's not important.
Okay.
This is a day.
Article 17.
No, this is a gun and this is a day. What does it make together?
Shoot out at Lokhandwala.
No, it's Gunde.
Wadala.
See, it's a gun and
What
day.
is today?
Gunde.
Oh my god. Ah, my head hurt. Oh my god.
Okay, I have some easy ones
Some
also.
people are sending. Okay.
This is easy, guys. Come on,
Ah.
you can do this. Come on.
This one.
What is it?
आयुष्मान मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो.
No, it's not that good. What is this, guys?
Somebody is like XXX Tentacion died that day. Okay, sorry. Judwa.
Yeah. Who guessed it? You didn't guess it. You can't just
I
comment.
guessed it. I thought
I did so much
thought
mehnat for you, Ramya. I have literally done so much mehnat on each frame.
I thought it was too like.
Yeah, it's
homosexual
Judwa
people.
2. But guys, it's not Judwa, it's Judwa 2. So nobody gets a point.
No,
Sorry.
I said Judwa 2. What the hell?
Okay, fine. Ramya gets 1 point. So Ramya won. And you guys won. And nobody... Yeah, that's it. 1-1. And nobody got points for Gunde because I guessed it. This is damn easy. You have to say it in the first 3 seconds. Otherwise, I'm not giving you the point.
Okay. Marie Kom.
No, come on.
Not
It's 2
Maricom.
girls wrestling.
What is it, guys? It's so hard. There are so many movies.
Okay,
Dangal.
just think about it.
Dangal.
Yeah,
Dangal.
it's Dangal. You're reading comments, huh? Very smart. This is damn easy.
I should read this way or this way?
Ulta,
Dil
yeah,
Wale.
ulta. From here. This is the first word, this is the second one, and this is the third one.
My Kamran is texting me. Dangal.
Hi,
Day.
Kamran.
Yeah. What is that?
This is easy, guys. See, someone guessed it. So Swapnil gets 1 point.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, it's Happy New Year. See, Happy New and Year. Like this is not year, but it's fireworks. I'm against fireworks. Don't burst crackers, guys. Don't burst crackers. This is very difficult, and whoever gets it, even in the comments, will get. I don't know. Y'all will get something, but it's very difficult. Basically, y'all will get recognition. I will announce your name, and Ramya will also announce your name as the winner.
Okay.
This is first, and this is second. It's one word.
What the hell is that? I can't figure it out. Somebody is like, the winner should get flying kisses.
Sure, Ramya will give you a flying kiss.
Hundreds of flying. Sultan. Airlift.
Yeah. Who guessed it? Oh,
Dude,
Deepak.
guys. Deepak,
Wow, it is airlift.
Deepak, you get my kisses.
Whoa, Deepak has won it. Say his name, Ramya. Deepak
Deepak.
4. Congratulations, Deepak 4.
Deepak 4. Congratulations.
This is damn easy. This is very, very easy. You guys have
Okay.
to guess it.
Houseful.
Yes. This is also very easy.
You're so okay. Master Chef. Chef.
Chef.
Chef
It is a
Maria.
Salman Khan film.
Salman Khan or no?
Saif Ali Khan. Sorry, did I
Yeah.
say Salman Khan? I mean Saif Ali Khan. Yes. I'm just going to change. Oh god, my tripod.
How do you have light?
I am sitting in the window.
Okay.
Who's asking you? Acha, someone's asking you that.
No. I'm asking you. Boots. Returns. Bhool Bhulaiya
Booth?
returns.
There's no film called Booth.
What is that?
Ramya, you have to know this film. It is a kid's film, and you're a kid.
Okay.
Guys, come
What
on,
is
guess
that?
what film is this?
U-turn. I know. She can't.
There's no. Is there? Acha, U-turn is the this film.
Samantha.
Telugu film. Samantha. I love Samantha. I love the way she laughs.
She's an amazing actor.
Yeah.
Bhutnath. Ishna. Hi,
Yeah.
Ishna.
People got it right. It's Bhutnath, but it's Bhutnath Returns.
I was telling that only. Okay.
You said Booth
Bhool
Returns.
Bhulaiya. Sorry, yeah.
Yeah. Now this is a Telugu film just because I love you. I also searched some Telugu films. Very easy, very super hit films, okay?
Okay. Doctor
Doctor falls in love, abuses, heartbreak, drugs, alcohol. Guys, wait, let Ramya not answer. You guys have to guess it. Tell me.
Okay. I answered it.
Well, let's see if people get it. Yeah.
Why wouldn't people get it? It's like a national sensation. Sensational
it is.
film.
Now, this is also a national sensation. I have tried my best, but there were less emoticons, okay?
What is it?
So it's a crown. People are fighting for a crown. There's a war and there's a
of
queen. Huh?
Nothing.
It's a Telugu film. It's a Telugu film.
Bahubali.
Yeah. And now very easy. I've kept like the chitur pitur for the last. This is the last one.
What is that? Emirates ka t-shirt.
Is it a t-shirt?
Yeah.
Or is
Emirates ka t-shirt.
It's a Telugu film.
Huh?
It's a Telugu film जिसका remake हो रहा है. Shahid Kapoor is playing the lead.
It's a Telugu film. Jersey, okay.
Yeah, it was so easy.
Dude, that doesn't look like a jersey.
It is a jersey. You said it's Emirates ka jersey.
I said t-shirt. Okay, fine.
Haan,
Now
then I mean, come on. See, Adidas. It's a jersey.
Okay.
Okay, that's it for now, guys. That's it. That's the only kind of mehnat I could do in like
Just
1 hour
so
or whatever.
effort into the live.
What?
He's putting so much of effort.
See, I did so much for you, Ramya, and you were going to cancel my life. I would have cried. I was so pissed when you were like, I'm not going to come. Like, I was just hoping you don't say I won't come because I was like, I did so much effort.
Yeah. I get it.
But I hope you had fun. I gave you some time pass apart from watching series.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I respect that. Listen, the world full of mamo. Hemant, there's something for you. A world full of corona and I want to be your sanitizer.
Sure.
Using that pickup
I
line.
mean, soon sanitizer shortages anyway happening. So I would love some sanitizer, please.
You can make a video on it, right?
Yeah, my mom made a lot of sanitizer. So if I make more, it's just wastage. That's why I didn't make one. But if you guys
the
want, I could.
sanitizer, like, you know, the tiny, like, it's this and it costs around what, 170 rupees and 180, I don't remember.
Yeah,
I was
expensive.
shocked.
That at least 70 rupees is the minimum.
My-
So I think we're
Yeah,
done,
before
guys.
it
If
was
you
like
have
what,
any more questions,
50, right?
my friend Rishabh is asking Hemal, you want cake? Guys, you have to know one thing about me. I never say no to cake. So if there's any way you can airlift the cake from your house to my house, Rishabh, please do it. I would love it.
You
Okay,
can
so I
make
think
it on
we're
your
done.
website.
Ramya, do you want to do the Pictionary or I think we'll just skip the Pictionary? We'll do it next time.
Yeah.
Because I had this
Thank you.
fun game for you and I'm sure you had fun.
Yeah.
And I'm sure
we
you
had
love
a
me
lot of
more
fun.
after
Thank you.
this.
Thank you, Hemal, for
Thanks for
this
being
wonderful-
with us, Ramya. Thanks for saying yes and thanks for not
talking with
ditching.
Hemal.
Chalo. Thanks a lot, Ramya. Thanks for
You know,
having
I
this
thought
fun
of
session.
ditching you.
What? You did,
I
right?
thought of ditching you.
I'm so glad you didn't. I'm so glad you didn't.
Yeah, because... Okay, I'm kidding. I never thought of ditching you, okay? I was just saying, just wanted to see what would your reaction be.
It's
Okay,
okay. I would
fine.
forgive you. You know, Ramya, you do anything, I will always love you.
I love you too, Hemal.
I don't have a choice.
Oh, come on, shut up. I love you too.
Bye. See you
Bye.
after quarantine. I hope this lockdown
Bye.
gets over soon. Take care. Bye. Say hi to mom. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. End it.
So, guys, that was Ramya Paspileti. I'm sure you guys had fun because it was. I took some lot of efforts playing that game, right? So y'all also played along. That was great. Congratulations to all of y'all who guessed it right. And we'll be back. I'll be back. I mean, I will be back tomorrow, and you also be back tomorrow because we are gonna do another workout session which you guys requested. So तुम्ही request केलाय the ab workout session that is happening tomorrow. I will post the time tomorrow once I know it. Once I talk to Praneet. But till then, bye, sayonara, take care, bye bye, love you all.